One of the most fun things I've ever done is play with Ray Parker Jr. and of course we performed his greatest hit Ghostbusters. So this week, just for a bit of fun, I'm going to teach you how to play the theme from Ghostbusters. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Hopefully I've got all the bases covered on this graphic. Let's learn the introduction sax riff. I've broken it into two segments. Here's the first segment played nice and slowly for you. Now here's the second half of that riff, the second segment, again played nice and slowly. And that is it, super short, very easy to learn. Now when you put the whole thing together, it sounds like this. So that's it, that's all there is to it for the first riff, the famous opening intro riff. Now if you go down into the description and click the link, you can get a transcription for alto and tenor sax that I've written out for you. There's my version. Really good resource that, so be sure to go down there and get your sheet music. Okay, now there's also the bridge riff, which is also featured on the transcription music. And I'm going to teach you how to play that now. So here it is, very slowly for you. This is the kind of riff that everyone can sing. It's super simple. However, when you have to write it down, it actually looks more complicated on the written page than it really sounds. So don't be freaked out by that. So we've learned it slowly. Now here's what it sounds like played at full pelt. Here we go. So that's it for this week on Get Your Sax Together. Just a quickie, a little fun week really. Don't forget, if you're enjoying the content, to subscribe, ring the bell to be notified of new content, go and check out my Instagram, and of course don't forget to go down into the description and get your free PDF beautifully transcribed and produced by yours truly. So I'll see you next week on Get Your Sax Together. Keep practicing and I'll see you later. Bye.